Good day, good 12. My name is Carden Madzokere, and I'm the author and publisher of the Distinction Bound Student Textbooks. And welcome to question 1.3. Now, question 1.3 is obviously a follow-up to 1.2, which was a follow-up to 1.1, which was a follow-up to the summary that was summarizing circular flow in preparation for the exam. So in the exam, you will get something like this, structured exactly like this, with 1 mark, 1 mark, 2 mark, 2 mark, 4 marks. So this is how it's structured. So anticipate something like this. Okay, we find this in section B, and we have you will answer a maximum of 4 data response questions. That is 40 marks. That equates to what this the what do you call it, the essay contributes to a question paper, 40 marks. Right, so with that in mind, it tells us then that data response questions are very vital. So let us study the diagram and see if we can answer the questions that follow. Now, to study this, we see clues already. We see A, we see B. Now, the picture may not be so clear, but we don't just stick to the picture. As we study, we read as well. Okay, I see here 200 million, 200 million. Okay, so there is 2 participants here. I don't see any other. So this is already a 2-sector model. Okay, what else do I see? Leakages. Okay, I see leakages of 100 million. And then I see, that's savings. So S. Then I see injections. That's I. Okay, so that's investment spending. So J is equal to G plus I plus X. And then L is equal to S plus T plus M. Okay, so I already know what's missing in terms of leakages, what's missing in terms of injections. But one thing I see is that injections are bigger than leakages. So what we expect to see is growth in this particular economy, which is a 2-sector model, which is households and businesses. But let me confirm if it's households and businesses for sure. So I'm going to read here. Okay, here it says consumption of goods and services. That makes this businesses, because then this becomes households. But let's see, consumption. So we have C, consumption, spending. Okay, then flow of factors factor income. So this is income going to households, factor. So basically, who owns the factors of production? So this is households. Then who's paying so that they make provision of goods and services? That's businesses. So we are clear there. We know already. I also see something here. Anticipate calculating the multiplier. So already we can tell K is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus MPC. K is equals to 1 divided by 0.7. K is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus 0.7. Then K is equals to 1 divided by 0.225, sorry. Then 0.25 goes into 1 4 times. So already, before anything, I know that the multiplier is 4. Okay, that's fine. Let me go in. Now, provide the diagram with an appropriate heading. Well, 2-sector model will make more sense than anything else. Give any other injection besides investment. You see, here I gave you other leakages besides savings. We said we have imports. We said we have, what's the other one? I said it already, man. Imports. We also have tax. Now, the question is not asking leakages, it's asking, besides investment, what other injections are there? So we also have G. So you can write government spending. You can also write exports. So the answer is any one of the 2. Then number 3, identify A and B. Now, here's the thing. Don't say households and businesses. No, specify. So you say A, semicolon, households, B, semicolon, businesses. Okay, if you don't do it like that, you want us to guess. But maybe you assume that, since they said it in this sequence, A and B, so obvious. The first one I wrote means A. No, don't say obvious. You want to pass matric, so you want to make sure. Right, number 4. How will national income, listen, be influenced by the above leakages and injections? Now, we prepared in our first video, we already know when L is less than J, the economy will increase. So national income will increase because leakages are less than injections. It's as simple as that. Then number 5, calculate the change in national income. Okay, do you know what they're saying here? They are asking you to calculate the effect. So for us to get the effect, we need 2 things. Number 1, we need the multiplier. Number 2, we need the injection. So let's go and check if we have those 2. Now, where do we get first the multiplier? Well, we get the multiplier from this. Here. How so? We get the multiplier here because we have the MPC. So I calculated it already. So what you need to do here is you start by saying K is equals to 1 divided by 1 minus MPC. K is equal to 1 divided by 0.1 minus 0.75. Look, 75. K is equals to 1 divided by 0.25. Then K is equal to 4 because 0.25 gets into 1 4 times. So now that you have the 4, you then multiply the 4 by 120. You get it. So 120 times 4, I think it's 480. Yeah, I think it's 480. Okay, so let me project your answers. So here are our answers to 1.3. Provide the diagram with heading. Yes, we said 2-sector model makes more sense than anything. Circular flow is still correct, but I think number 1 is the best. Then give any other. Yes, we said exports and government spending. Now they can flip this and say any other leakages. So if that's the case, then you say imports, you say tax. Then A, yes, we said it's households. B, we said it's firms or businesses. That's fine. Then number 4, yes, we said because leakages are less than injections, then we expect that national income will increase. Then yes, we talked about 4 being our multiplier. We take that 4, we multiply by 120 because that's the injection we were given. That's gonna give us 480. So the effect, ladies and gentlemen, is 480. Thank you. God bless. And I think, we always recommend that you subscribe, and we also recommend that you share the video and come back for more. I believe that you're going to get a distinction.